Hello, 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 once again at your SA News. So, now, once again, we are here to come and talk about the big giant elephant in the room. Today we are talking about xenophobic and the issue of immigration. We know that's a big topic that we came here to discuss today, but yeah, we have to get on it. So now the challenge that we have, the most debates that we have today is about South Africans hating other people from other countries, or I mean other Africans. So mainly being Zimbabwean, Nigerians and Ghanaians. The way that it's looking like, maybe we have analyzed it. We are not sure, but you can drop us a comment so that we can hear what you think. But the way this thing march and all these civil organization that have been out there trying to put a hand there. They say they're assisting the government to do their jobs according to what ordinary South Africans want, or according to the country's best interest. So now we really want to know, and we really want to have just a discussion, a nice genuine discussion, but putting at hand our inputs that we have observed about these issues of illegal immigration, about South African being xenophobic. I don't think that from our perspective, or my perspective rather, that there is any single individual that hates a certain country, or hate another African from a certain country, whether it's Nigeria, Ghana, or Zimbabwe for that matter. I think that Africans are African, and they can be more united. But what we so lack is a communication. We understand that other countries, other African countries, they are facing some challenges at the moment. Same as South Africans. We once had some sort of problems, and in these countries they came, I can say, pretty handy when we needed them at that time. They welcome South Africans, those who were delegated there, and those who went abroad, those who went in exile. So they were quite welcoming, of which, yeah, that was most welcoming, and we made us very happy that they could lay a hand. They showed that their brotherhood and so forth. So now, but looking at some opinions that have been out there these couple of months or weeks, there have been talks and many opinions about black South Africans hating another Africans. There's no such thing. I don't think there is such thing. That's my genuine opinion on the matter, or the way that I've observed, and I heard some leaders and some individuals say, they've expressed their opinions. There's no really South African who hates another. As once the great leader once said, Nelson Mandela, he said, no one was born hating another. So I still believe in such comments and sentiments, that no one can be born hating another person or hating another individual. So as we share the same blood, the same skin, the same the same problems, because I think the most thing that we have, the main problem that makes us to even come to clashes and have misunderstanding about some situations, The main thing is poverty and starvation and all those things that are in the center of these discussions and of these matters, because I think Ghanaians, Nigerians, and Zimbabweans, they come to South Africa, they want something to eat, grab there and there. They want to make a living for themselves. They want to make sure their family are well provided and everything. Yeah. But now the main thing that's causing an misperception about these things is that in their journey of going to hunt for food, there are some certain things that have not been dealt or that been done properly. There's no proper documentations that they've made they have not acquired documents for them to be in South Africa legally. Understanding where we have started when we said South Africa at one point it went to these countries looking for assistance, and we have also received assistance. They welcomed us, but now this the situation of South Africa. I think South Africa went there seeking for a specific need, a specific hand. We wanted an allies to help us to fight with the system of apartheid. So we needed whatever we could get at that time for us to be able to win the struggle that we had at that particular time. So at whatever South Africa or South Africans that went or that were delegated to go out there and seek for some sort of assistance. At most times we received help. Then they gave us a hand, they lent a hand, of which it was very grateful at the time, and it's still grateful even to this day. So when we had received whatever we had received at that time, we came back to our country when we fixed the problems that we had at hand at that time. We came back and we continued. We ran the country, not really ran the country, but when we solved the apartheid, which was the main problem at that time, we were able to sit down and be able to continue and run the country and create friends with some of the people who were apparently oppressors at that time. We were